So quick look at Verasity then on the daily time frame. As we can see, still chopping sideways, not really doing that much at all here. As I said before, we are still essentially sitting in and around our Fibonacci level. Let me just drag this out actually, because we have actually moved beyond my Fibonacci level there. You can see we're sitting at support still. As I've said numerous times here, still sat at this support, the 0.23 Fibonacci at 0.5%, along with this overall channel support level trend line here, as you can see. Verasity really just been consolidating pretty much ever since we got down to this low here. We've come up, came back down for a retest, come up, and we're kind of, you would say, sort of coiling up into this area like this, waiting for that next bull market to come. Only 2 months to the halving now. We're getting very close. Things are looking pretty bullish. I'm feeling pretty excited about what's going to be happening next. Obviously, I think Verasity is going to do well long term. In the short term, it is looking a little bit bearish at this support and not really bouncing at all right now. But you could say the same for a lot of altcoins right now, with Bitcoin essentially just chopping sideways. Some of the altcoins are bleeding if they are not pumping. There's a few rare cases that are pumping, like Chainlink today. But I would say overall, most altcoins are looking like this. They're sat at support, chopping sideways, kind of just, you know, we're basically just bouncing around here, aren't we? In this local area. We did lose that 100-day moving average here. We've yet to retest that either. That's probably our next port of call, in my opinion, up here somewhere. But right now you can see really not that much going on in the markets for Verasity. Really, we've just been putting in a range between down to that swing low of 1/5 of a cent up to around 1.1 cents. We've not deviated from this area in such a long time. And once we do start to come up and make more highs, which we will in this next bull market, in my opinion, we're definitely going to see Verasity doing very, very good going forward, in my opinion. But obviously, takes patience. We're still in the bear market, essentially. Things are boring. Bitcoin's boring. Veracity's boring. This is when people should be buying, in my opinion. This is when I am buying, in my opinion. Let's see what we get in a year's time, eh?